So I didn't want to spend a lot of money. I didn't want to start a whole new renovation, but I wanted my home to feel calm, to feel elevated without breaking the bank. And I think this idea you can incorporate into your apartment, your condo, your home, your cabin, wherever you're staying, you can use this. So unless you're in a new build, when you open the doors, everything's been like painted over. There's layers, nothing is a perfect fit. You know how you can upgrade your look and give that quiet luxury ambiance, that like elevated, modern, clean, minimal, thought out look. You know how you can do it? A cheap and affordable way to do it is to replace the door fixtures. It's simple, guys. Replace this with this. Just this little subtle tweak makes such a difference. When you open the room, it feels so important. It feels like it's an honor to walk through that space. I swear to God, guys. So my husband doesn't know it yet, but he's about to replace all of these with these, but only on the upstairs level. Let me see, there's 1, 2, 3, 5 doors that he needs to do. I'm gonna show you how cute it looks in the bathroom. Look how nice that looks. Just this change makes such a difference, you guys. Such a difference. Look, no buildup. It's fresh, it looks clean. You don't need a new build, just a slight, subtle tweak. To me, that's modern luxury. So I'm gonna show you guys how I keep my bathrooms looking so sparkly and shiny with this little gadget. You can find it on Amazon. There's so many different attachments. There's an attachment for every job. So I feel like this bathroom is my baby and I want to take really good care of it. There's a lot of marble. It's all natural stone. My husband and I painstakingly applied every piece, but I'm not going to let the kids ruin my hard work. So I've got my cleaner and I've got my little scrubber. So we are just going to go to town. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to spray all these little areas. Then I'm going to just turn it on. There's only one setting. Make sure to get the grout. So for this bathroom right here, it's a little bit bigger, so I'm going to use a bigger brush. And the surface, it's kind of like the granite. It's hard. I don't know if that's granite or quartzite, but it's hard to see the dirt. So I'm going to use something a little bit more abrasive. So I have this option. I have like a smooth buffing one or one that's more abrasive. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to use this instead of this because it's a bigger surface. So I'm just going to give it a little spray in all these areas in the back that are hard to get. This is the perfect
Okay, so stay to the end of the video. I'm going to show you the one thing I picked out. But living spaces, like if you need to get something for your home, like furniture, they have it all. I really am impressed with that place. Now, you don't want to get like a whole set matchy, but you can find like comforters, couches, really good quality, different materials, fabric, performance, leather, boucle, whatever you want. Like I really love that chair, but I just bought like a cheap version from Amazon, which I hate. So I can't really buy another one. That one was, I think, about like $600 and something. I mean, between like $600 and like $3,000, you're gonna find something. They have a lot of cute items, guys. This is probably only my second time going to living spaces, but I highly recommend. I was thinking about this green couch right here, but it's a little, how do you say? I don't know if I can handle having all those pillows all the time. You know what I mean? Like rearranging the pillows. Another one that I liked that was a little cuter, a little more streamlined. it was too stiff. And you get to pick all those different fabrics. They have like probably about 35 fabrics to choose from and finishes, like velvet, leather. I mean, they just have so many options. Like, I love that dining table. It wasn't too farmhouse. It was just perfect. Look at that set. I thought that was cute too. So this is what I got from Living Spaces. What do you guys think about the table? I know it doesn't seem like much, but I wanted something to put the TV on, but then something that still didn't really block the view. You know what I mean?